Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome our June new products video. Our first new product are these console cup holders. These are for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco, 92 to 97 F-Series pickup with a center console. These pop right into place. A lot of times when you buy a truck used or a Bronco, they're missing. You can see right down through the center console. Well, these just fall right into place. You can set them right in there, pull them out to clean them. Very nice. Again, replacement cup holders for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco and 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product are these replacement rear seat armrests. These are made by Carpenter Industries. These are for the 1980 to 91 Ford Bronco. Where these go on your rear trim panels by the side of your rear seat, these snap right into place. They fit right on the trim panel. Come with the mounting hardware, ready to go. Drivers and passenger are both the same. They're only available in black and they're sold individually. Again, replacement rear seat armrests for the 1980 to 1991 Ford Bronco. And our next new products from the Bronco Graveyard here is these 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. These are the upper trim brackets for the rear quarter panels. Interior. We've had them reproduced. There's a driver's and passenger. They're cut out right here. This is a passenger I have in my hand. We have had them made out of steel. This is a galvanneal, will not rust, ready to go. What these do is when you bolting the interior in your Bronco, you go to the back, you're going to bolt the top down. You lay these on top of the top, put the bolt through. It goes through through the top of the upper quarter, and you nut it. So when you put your trim panels on, these snap right in here. The holes are all lined up, ready to go. Again, replacement upper rear trim brackets for the 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product is this body mount kit here. This is a complete body mount kit. The one in front of us is for the 73 to 79 pickup. It's a complete kit. Gives you all the bushings, mounting all the bolts, all the factory sleeves, lower and upper. Really nice kit. We have these for the 73 to 9 pickup, 80 to 97 pickup, and the 78 to 96 Ford Bronco. The best thing about this is we give you an option. You can go with this kit here with stock rubber bushings, or you want to upgrade and go with red polyurethane or black polyurethane. We offer those for all the vehicles. Then if you're just missing individual pieces, we sell all this stuff individual too. Again, complete cab mounting kits or body mounting kits for the Ford Bronco from 73 to 97 F-Series pickup and the 78 to 96 Ford Bronco. And for our June web truck of the month, we have Eric Manis's beautiful 1979 XLT Bronco. You enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
I bought this 8 years ago down in a goat barn in Kentucky. It had been sitting for 20 years, so it was pretty clean. Other than goats used it as a climbing tool, so it needed to get refinished. So, but the body's solid, no rust. It's got a 5.5 inch Deaver Superflex lift on it, and then a 460 with trick flow heads. So we did upgrade. It's got a C6. I mean, it's been gone through transmission, but and then the 205 transfer case, and then I've got the Adams drive shafts in it. Pretty much everything else is close to stock. 350s yet. 350. Yeah, I like to be able to run it down the highway yet. So, and it's got plenty of power. It doesn't need taller gears. So, put a torque bar on the rear axle, keep the axle hop down. Put in a deck lid in the back to kind of close off the trunk area. I had it painted. It's actually it's lead foot gray, so it's Ford color still, but it's single stage, so it's kind of still old school. It's got a roll cage in the back and soft topper. Yeah, we built the roll cage. Does great up in the dunes. It's a pleasure vehicle. Comes out on the weekends. Drinks too much gas to daily it.